Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to clear and delete Amazon shopping cart. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to clear and delete Amazon shopping cart. So let's get started. So guys, to clear and delete Amazon shopping cart, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search bar Amazon and simply press enter. Guys, simply click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Amazon homepage. So to clear and delete Amazon shopping cart, here you can see the cart option at the top right corner of the page. So click on it. So guys, here you can see all of these items that I have add to cart. Guys, to clear this, here you can see some options. Delete, save for later, compare with similar items. So here we need these two options. So if you want to permanently delete this, so simply click on delete. But if you want to save this for later, so click on save for later. So I'm going to click on delete. So guys, here you can see this is the item name and here you can see written was removed from shopping cart. So now also remove the second one. So again click on delete. So guys, here you can see this is the item name and after that you can see written was removed from shopping cart. Means that items are removed from cart. Now the next one also click on delete. So guys, here you can see written your Amazon cart is empty. Means that we have clear Amazon cart. So guys, here you can see we have delete Amazon shopping cart. So you can also clear and delete Amazon shopping cart by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.